Hi everyone, I'm Ashima. Today I'm going to tell you about thematic funds. Thematic funds are equity mutual funds. These funds are completely distinct to diversified equity funds. Are you also confused between sectoral funds and thematic funds? So let's find out the difference. Sector funds focus on specific sectors or industry like banking, pharma, information technology, real estate, energy, etc. While thematic funds invest in multiple sectors that are woven around a specific determined theme. They might look similar to sector funds but may consist of several sectors. You may perceive these to be much more diversified than sector funds. For example, an infrastructure theme fund will invest in cement, power, steel, among other sectors. Now let's discuss who should invest in them. Thematic funds are riskier than the broader market because the scope of the stocks it is invested in is concentrated. These funds are best suited for investors that can take risks. If you are someone who is not risk averse, investing in thematic funds may not be the best option for you. Considering the level of volatility involved in investments in these funds, it is strictly advised that investors should not allow these funds to constitute more than 5 to 8% of their portfolio. While investing in any of these funds, investors should rather look at the future growth prospects of the specific sector or theme instead of looking at the past performance of these funds. In India, the FMCG and private banking sector thematic funds have seen positive market trends over the years, but IT and pharmaceuticals have not yet been able to gain speed. So, my advice to you would be an opportunist, but don't have unreal expectations and invest wisely. Thank you for tuning in. For more such videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Happy investing!